What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how I get this sleek updo ponytail on my type 4 natural hair. So the first thing I do is I apply some Gorilla Snot gel and I brush it up, and then I also apply some Pro Style black gel, and then I go ahead and I secure this portion of my hair. And in the front I have a little bit left out, but it's also going up in there too. The reason why I left this part out is because I really want the front of my hair to lay flat, because this is the part that's going to show the most. So I wanted to apply more gel and more Gorilla Snot so that it stays flat down. So that's what I'm doing right now, applying some Gorilla Snot and then applying some black gel and then brushing it down. And after I'm done brushing it down, I go ahead and I also secure this part. I was trying to do some baby hairs or something, but that didn't work out at all. So I just brushed it straight back. And then I'm going to go ahead and do 2 big jumbo braids. After I'm done doing the jumbo braids, I go ahead and I pin them with a bobby pin. And I'm pretty much ready to tie it down with a scarf just to make sure it dries nice and tight. Well, usually I do this overnight and then the next day I'll take it down, but this was the same day. I was in a rush and I just wanted my hair to look right, so I went ahead and I brushed out this ponytail. I felt like it looks better brushed out anyways, so that's what I did. And then I go ahead and I pin it, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Holding on to you. I ain't never left you alone. I ain't never let you go. Even after knowing you ain't wrong. Okay, so this is it, guys. I hope you like it. I think it's really cute. I think it turned out really good. Okay, so off I go. Bye.